Here she is with Sound of the City.
I've been up and down in that city of lies, working like a dog and trying to make ends meet. I've been down and up in that city of lies, wearing all these faces, trying to find a lover. With all these fake smiles and all these fake dreams, wherever I go, I say hello to a shadow. That's the sound of the city. That's the sound of the city. I want nothing more to feel free, to let go. I want nothing more to be taken by love. I've been up and down in that city of lies. I see these men in sweet suits trying to pull the wool over our eyes. So I fake my beliefs to try to fit in and see myself looking like a fool. I'm fighting for a space to exist, a place where I would be free of their contempt. That's the sound of the city. Well, that's the sound of the city. Well, I want nothing more to let go, to feel free. Nothing more to be taken by love. I want nothing more to feel free, to let go, to be taken by love.
Beautiful.
Thank you.